guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own drop earrings, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is a look at all of the materials you will need. We have some flush cutters, some round nose pliers, head pins, some ear wires, and some beads, so let's go ahead and begin. So to make these earrings, it's really easy, it's really simple, and it's a great idea to really get customized jewelry and really fit it to your own style. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take one of my head pins here. I'm just going to start taking my beads and placing them on there. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to do that. Next, we're going to take our flush cutters, and I'm going to cut it about halfway. There we are. And then we're just going to take our round nose pliers, and we're going to create a loop here. We're going to leave it halfway open, just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and place our ear wires onto the earring. So it looks like that, and then we're going to go ahead and close up that loop. Let's go ahead and create that second earring. So we're obviously going to repeat these same steps. We're going to take our head pin once again, and then we're just going to make the same pattern on the other earring. Again, we're going to cut it about halfway, and we're going to take our round nose pliers once again. Take our ear wire, and then we're going to secure that loop. So this is how the earrings turned out. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share this with your family and friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye!